This morning, something to celebrate. A big congratulations is in order for Dr. Miller and Total Health Chiropractic and the staff, celebrating 16 years of helping patients in an all-natural way without injections and surgery to help fight neck and back pain. And here to explain how is Dr. Miller, along with one of his patients, Joyce. Good morning. Thanks so much for being here. Hi, good morning. 16 years. It sounds like we might need to have a little bit of a celebration.
Yeah, it really goes by quick. And I tell you, I look back at those years, and one of the greatest things I think about is just all the awesome relationships that we built with our patients over the years. A lot of them have friends and family and coworkers that come with them to attend appointments, and we just work very, very closely with these patients to get them well non-invasively and just really become like a big family working together so closely.
So what is it that we're going to do before we get into this all-natural way you're able to help everybody? What is it you're going to do to kind of bring everybody together?
Well, we do have an open house Tuesday, February 4th, and it's from 2 to 6 p.m. at our office. It's free to the public, and we're going to be, they're able to talk to me and ask me questions, see our office, and also try treatments that we offer free of charge, some of our most popular treatments. One of them is hydrotherapy massage. It's just a heated bed with jets that massage your body from head to toe, and that's a sort of a rejuvenating experience that people enjoy. We're also going to be doing Spine Force 3D rehab. That helps with balance, posture, coordination. It works your deep core spinal muscles. So that's something that they can try as far as rehab that we offer in our office. And they're also going to be offering rock tape, which many people have seen athletes use, like on their arms or legs, but this is a way to help with joint pain or injuries or soft tissue problems. So it's free. They just stop by between 2 and 6 and try that stuff out.
And one of the biggest things that we always talk about that you've really been able to give relief for people because of it is the DRX 9000C.
Sure, and this is a medical device. Computers control this, but it's a non-invasive and natural way to actually heal and regenerate some of the worst problems of the spine, being severe disc injuries, patients that struggle with degenerative disc disease, bulging or herniated or ruptured discs, sciatica is another big one, spinal stenosis, and a lot of times we even get patients that have tried neck or back surgery and it didn't work very well for them, and we're able to correct the problem with this treatment. And it's non-invasive, it's usually quite relaxing for patients. A lot of them actually take a nap during the treatment, but it very specifically through the aid of computers stretches that injured area of the spine and helps to regenerate that.
And I see you shaking your head, Joyce. Let's go ahead and talk about the pain that you were experiencing before you went to go see Dr. Miller.
Well, I was having a lot of numbness down my right leg and up in the lower part of my back. The numbness was so bad where it would paralyze me, where I couldn't walk. Oh my goodness. And so I saw him one day on TV8, and I called the number. And once I called the number, I set up my appointment, and today I can walk with no pain, with no burning and numbness. So it was a great, great, great help for me. I highly recommend it. Anybody that experiencing any pain in the lower back or any part of your back, if with this treatment, it's amazing.
Yeah. What exactly
really
was your diagnosis?
I can go over that.
Yeah.
When Joyce had come in, she had seen chiropractors for quite a while and not really getting the relief she was looking for, because chiropractic adjustments help more with misalignments, but what we had found with her was that she did have some pretty severely degenerated discs in her lower back, and that's what was actually causing the stenosis and pinching the nerves. It's also why the adjustments really didn't give her better results. So, through that course of the consultation, the exam, the x-rays, and we determined what's wrong, she was just a great candidate for our decompression program, and took me up on the offer, and several weeks later doing a lot better.
Yeah, let's talk about that. And he shows how it goes in, it stretches everything out. How would you explain to people at home? It looks relaxing to me, but I need to go through that, I guess.
My very first treatment, I could feel some relief, and I could feel seemed like I could feel the stretching going on. And as to my second and third treatment, it was just extremely relaxing, very, very soothing, and I can tell the pain was starting to, really subside.
Sure.
But it was amazing. That's all I can say. It was amazing. I recommend it to anybody and everybody that is in pain like I was in pain with the disc of the bulging of the disc.
And you probably waited so long, and then
I did.
the
I was in
relief
pain for
there.
about 15 years, I want to say.
Oh my
10 to
goodness.
15 years. I had a fall at a previous job that I had.
Yeah.
And then I was working with my mom, and
Yeah.
then I started my own business with adult foster care.
Sure.
And pulling and tugging and lifting
yeah.
on people didn't make it any better. So
Sure.
with working with Dr. Miller, I felt a lot of relief there.
Awesome. Well, I'm so glad that you're able to help her. 15 years is a very long
Yeah.
time. Not
Yeah.
everybody waits quite that long, but once again, the results are out there. So if people can't make it to your open house, you do have a new patient special for our
We do,
viewers?
Leanne. So if they just don't want to wait, they can call our office today, and we have a $99 special where we do a consultation, the examination, and I'm also going to do a report of findings to show them and instruct them what's wrong and why they're hurting. And with that, we'll be able to determine if they're a candidate for our decompression treatments or any other treatments we offer, so that like Joyce, they can start getting relief once and for all.
Big time.
Yeah. Well, the number is right there on the screen. I want you to go ahead and call 616-828-0861. Call now. If they do not answer, they are there. Go ahead and keep on calling. They'll answer. And you can also go online to thchchiro.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm so glad you're doing so much
Thank
better.
you.
I am. Thank you.
Congratulations on 16 years.
Thank you
Doc.
so much.
Absolutely.